Bitcoin is starting to bounce back towards the upside while history is exactly being repeated. This chart is exactly going to be telling us what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into the short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin has been getting heavily oversold by this crash that we have been seeing. Bitcoin has been crashing towards the downside after breaking above that 100k level again. We have been grabbing that upside liquidity. We have been making a lower high over here, and ever since creating that lower high, a lot of people have been flipping bearish. A lot of people have been getting bearish, and we have been in this crash back towards the downside. Now, yes, we have been getting extremely oversold on the Bitcoin RSI indicator, like you can be seeing over here on that 4-hourly time frame. We've been hitting this massive level of support. At the same time, the RSI indicator is getting oversold. We have been creating bullish divergences, and we have been trading inside of this downtrend over here. Now, right now, Bitcoin is starting to break this downtrend. We are playing out our bullish divergences, so it is starting to look great again on the short term. We are looking to be getting some relief rally towards the upside. I do think it is going to be very likely that we're going to be seeing some relief rally back towards the upside over here. Now, still, I would like to say that we are going to be trading inside of this downtrend. So still, I would have a look in towards this upcoming level of resistance. If we are going to be seeing a bounce from off this level right now, I would have a look in towards this level of resistance. And then possibly in that longer term, we can start to have a look in towards this descending triangle being created. And I think that still, if we're going to be having a look in towards this Bitcoin chart, we are going to be seeing some kind of a liquidity grab towards the downside, okay? We are right now trading inside of this correction. We are trading inside of this rejection from a massive level of resistance. If we are going to be having a look in towards our majority of the liquidity, well, the majority of the liquidity is actually sitting at the downside. And yes, it is going to be very likely, like you can be seeing from the past, that every single time we are going to be creating some kind of a level of support, some base level of support, that we're going to be seeing a liquidity grab down below. That's going to be the shakeout before the real breakout towards the upside, okay? That's going to be very likely. And if we are going to be having a look in towards history, well, we can be having a look in towards this graph over here. And we are always seeing one small consolidation, then a big consolidation, then a small consolidation, then a big consolidation again, then a small consolidation, and then once again a push towards the upside. So yeah, right now we are trading inside of a small consolidation, like for example we have been doing over here, okay? And during this small consolidation, I think it's going to be likely that we're going to be only seeing one liquidity grab and then see our next push towards the upside, which we are exactly being creating right now. So if we are going to be seeing our liquidity grab towards the downside, that's going to be the moment where I'm going to be fully scaling in towards all of my Bitcoin positions, in towards all of my altcoin positions. I think whenever, during this small consolidation over here that we are currently trading in, well, if we are going to be seeing this liquidity grab down below, that's going to be the moment where I think it's going to be the final shakeout before the real breakout towards the upside. Now, the thing that I would like to say over here, because a lot of people are getting me wrong over here, I'm not going to be bearish at all at the current level. I'm still going to be extremely bullish on Bitcoin right now. I think a relief rally over here is going to be very likely. I still do think in that longer term, this has the biggest likelihood of us actually trading inside of some kind of a descending triangle. But I am not going to be bearish at all at the current level for Bitcoin. I'm still going to be extremely bullish. If we are going to be having a look in towards the metrics, if we're going to be having a look in towards the fact that we are still trading inside of this bull market, it's going to be very dangerous to be bearish over here. I'm not going to be bearish at all. Trump is going to be entering office again in like 1.5 weeks, which is going to be causing some massive Bitcoin pumps. So I'm not going to be bearish at all. I'm actually going to be extremely bullish, but just in the case that if Bitcoin is going to be seeing this liquidity grab down below this level of support over here, that's going to be the moment where I'm going to be fully scaling in towards all of my positions. This is going to be the maximum best opportunity in the market if this would happen. I'm not saying that it is going to happen, but if this is going to be happening, this would be the best opportunity. So yeah, anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming an insane $30 completely for free, only by depositing $50. So if you sign up a new account with that link down below, you can be depositing $50 and you're going to be getting a $30 trade completely for free. On top of that, you're going to be getting a 50% spot fee discount. Now, do keep in mind that you need to check if Blofin is going to be available in your country. Do check it with that link down below. If it's going to be available, you can be signing up right now, claim this insane deposit bonus. If it's not going to be available in your country, well, unfortunately, you cannot claim it. So make sure to check it with that link down below. Anyways, yesterday I've made a dedicated video about this, but I think alt season is starting right now. During this Bitcoin consolidation, during this Bitcoin rejection, this has historically speaking always been the moment where the altcoin season has been getting started after breaking above that previous Bitcoin all-time high, which we are exactly seeing right now. So yeah, I think altcoin season is going to be getting started right now. I've made a dedicated video about this exactly yesterday. I've been talking about it already for so many times. Altcoin season is getting started right now. Altcoins are about to be exploding. Whenever Bitcoin is going to be bottoming out over here, whenever Bitcoin is going to be starting its next rally towards the upside, I think altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding. So anyways, Bitcoin is right now, I think, trading inside of this small consolidation. This is not going to be the moment to be getting fooled. This is going to be the moment to be paying attention. And after some kind of a liquidity grab, I will be flipping extremely bullish. So let me know, guys, what you think about that. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another video tomorrow morning.